Hello guys, good evening and welcome back. Alright, so in this video I want to briefly explain to us how to effectively manage our time. Now, long before now, I do have this issue on time management, and I often fall victim of how to use my time proper and how we can effectively make use of our time in regards to our work and our personal life. Now, most tailors or most fashion designers, they do have this issue on time management. It's not as if they are lazy. It's not as if they are not up and doing. It's not as if they don't know what they are doing. But naturally, they find themselves lacking on time management. So I will give you some clips or some tips on how you can effectively manage your time for maximum results and maximum effect as well. So now let's get on to the main video proper. Now, here are some tips on how to manage your time better as a fashion designer, right? This can still be used for other skilled areas. Number one, plan and prioritize the time. Make a to-do list and prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadline. This will help you stay organized and focused on what needs to be done, right? Now, number two is create a schedule. Allocate time for specific tasks such as sketching, designing, sampling, and fittings. Make sure you balance your time programming as regards to the important or urgent work. Estimate how much time each task will take and give yourself a deadline. Stick to it, plan as much as possible, and adjust as when needed. Set realistic expectations. Don't try to do everything at once or expect to finish a big project in a short amount of time, which is not possible, right? So be realistic with your goals and allow yourself enough time to complete each task thoroughly and with care. You should not make it to be doing half-baked jobs. Number three is eliminate distractions. One important part is turn off your phone. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, remove them. Don't open notifications and other distractions that could interrupt your work. Create a designated space for your work that is free from distractions. Number four, delegate tasks. If you have a team or students, delegate tasks to whom you can trust. This can help you focus on the higher priority task and free up your time. For example, if you have a clothes that you want to amend, probably you want to amend a dress, or will I say do ironing or do some finishing, press some button tacking, laundry. You're not the one that should have gone to those activities when you have other jobs in the office to make. So all you need to do is to train an apprentice and make sure he or she will be capable to do those little jobs for you. And once the person is able to do those jobs, you will notice that you will have enough time for yourself to do other higher jobs that are very much important and very much crucial, right? So when you make a time to train other people, you will be able to delegate tasks to them with trust, and you will be convinced that they will be able to deliver fully for you without any fear of failing, right? So now the next is take breaks. Take breaks throughout the day to refresh your mind and avoid to be totally burnt out or burn out. Even a short walk or stretching can help you stay focused and productive, right? Now, also don't forget to eat. Drink water is very much necessary. Number six is use technology to your advantage. Use project management tools and software to help you stay organized and on track. Don't be afraid to try new tools that can help you save time, right? Now, number 7 is what I think I really need to emphasize on, which states learn how to say no. Most designers cannot say no to customers. Any job that come, they will take it. Can you sew Ankara for burial? Yes. I will take it on 15th of this month, no problem. Customer B will walk in. I want to sew a birthday dress. It's on 15th, no problem. Customer C will come. I want to sew child education clothes. It's on 15th, no problem. Or even closer dates. It must not be the same date, but any day that will not give you a day or two gap to rest or to take care of some unforeseen circumstances that might come up from your workplace. Don't take jobs that their dates are 2 days or the same day in line, because this will mount a lot of pressure on you and you will lose focus and attention, and your level of productivity will be reduced, right? So learn how to say no to additional tasks or projects if you already have a full workload. Be honest with yourself and to your customers and to others about your workload, and that can manage your time effectively. It will also help to grow you. It will also make you to look well organized, right? And not any job that comes in, you pick up the job, you want to do everything at once. It is not proper. Take jobs you can deliver, and don't trust much on apprentices or even co-workers. This will as well bounce back on you when your workers leave, or when they are ill, or when they are not able to come early or meet up with your requirements or demands, and you will be the only one left to take care of those jobs and fix up the jobs. So by the time you're able to take jobs you can manage by yourself under 1 month, 1 week, a day or 2 days, as the time may be, you will see that you will not have much problems on how to manage your time effectively. You will have lesser things to worry about and pray for more jobs to come when you have finished the one already on the table, right? So I believe this video must have gone a long way to help you manage or give you insights on how to manage your time effectively, because this, I have found out, is one of the challenges all fashion designers are facing in the industry: time management. And make sure as well you don't engage yourself in activities that will reduce the time you'll be available in your workplace. Don't engage yourself on too much evening church activities. Don't engage yourself in every weekend or every night birthday shows, birthday activities, birthday programs. Don't engage yourself in alcohol, anything that will be addictive to your body, because this will weaken your body system and your normal rate of production will reduce. Don't engage yourself in anything that you know might weaken your body. This is also one of the reasons most of us can't manage our time properly. And don't spend most of your time thinking about the future, worrying, can this fashion designing pay me? Can I make a living from it? Yes, you can make a living from it. All you need to do is to replan yourself, represent yourself, and pray to God for headway, right? Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. My next video will be on how to employ and pay co-workers, joiners, people that came for upgrade in your place that will be working for you. I will make a video on how you can pay them, how to know how much to pay them in accordance to their workload, their work rate and everything. Don't forget to watch my next video. Thank you.